Hey there, I'm Thibaut, I'm the founder of Ava, and in less than a minute, I will show you how you can use Ava CC to get captions whenever you want to. Tons of online videos and meetings today are still not captioned. And yes, it really sucks. You don't want to have to ask, or worse, be ignored. You want the captions right now. This is the moment to use Ava CC. In one click, captions appear. It's that simple. You go on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or whatever website you want, and you can see the captions with the video. To turn it off, click the blue microphone and it will turn gray. To stop the session, click the cross. You will then be able to save transcripts. And if you click the arrows, you will go in transcript view where you will find more settings. That's it. Let's say you have an online meeting or event and it's on Zoom or another platform and you're not seeing the captions. Well, don't panic. Just open Ava CC. Then look for the settings on the window and set your speakers to Ava speakers. For example, on Zoom, I set my speakers to Ava speakers. Ta-da! You usually only need to do it once. It will remember it for the next time. And now you know how to caption any online meeting. So how does it work? Ava uses both automated captions and professional captioner together. This microphone with the light blue uses free captions. It's quite accurate, 90%, but most importantly, it's free, with each session up to 40 minutes, and it's perfect for videos, for example. If you need a better accuracy, for example, in meetings or in trainings, you can change it in the transcript view by clicking the arrows and going to improve accuracy. Here, you will see premium captions. So if you select premium captions, this is even higher accuracy, about 95%, but still automated captions. So there's punctuation, there's specialized vocabulary, and it's perfect for work meetings or daily classes online or in person. If you need excellent quality, 99% accuracy, you can call in 30 seconds a professional transcriber and choose Scribe Captions. Now, this is a paid service where a transcriber will come and correct in real time the mistakes from the automated caption. So go through your accessibility manager or contact us for more information. And that's it. You know everything about captions and Ava.